Pig is on the couch. Same spot.
Huh?
Same snack. Pure discipline. Everything feels calm. No risk. No pressure. Perfect system. He'll get some money. Not much. But enough to upgrade the comfort. Not enough to actually change anything. Perfect balance. Why would he invest? Why risk the money when you can protect the comfort? Very smart. Better couch. Better snacks.
More delivery.
Another streaming service. Highly efficient system. Days pass and Pig feels fine. Not stressed. Not excited. Just zen. Until a surprise bill hits. A bad week. Pig freezes. Smart move. He has no buffer. Buffers are for anxious people. Better to protect the comfort. Stay still. Avoid any discomfort. Things slowly get tighter. Pig notices, but doesn't react. Discomfort is dangerous. So he waits. Expenses keep rising. He's sinking quietly. Very comfortable failure. The loop is beautiful. More comfort. No growth. No growth. Less security. Less security. More comfort. And the best part,
It feels safe.
nothing changes. Pig looks around. Same couch. Smaller room. Still cozy. Comfort is expensive. They say
Bullshit.
comfort today is cheap. Tomorrow is what costs a fortune. Soft life now, hard consequences later. You think you're avoiding stress. You're actually just avoiding progress.